This dance is called Wim-o-wack. The lion sleeps tonight. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going into a modified rumba box forward. So we're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right. The modification bit is because we're shuffling forward instead of just stepping forward. So we're going to shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Step the left to the side, right beside left. Here's the second bit of the modification, shuffling back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, back, close, back. So that set of steps once more then. That modified rumba box. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. Rock back on the right. Recover your weight on the left. Shuffle forward on that right. Right, close, right. Step forward on the left. Pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Shuffle forward on the left. Left, close, left. So all these shuffle steps are 1 and 2 count timing steps. That set of steps once more then, rocking back on that right. 7, 8. Back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Let's add those two sections together. Modified rumba, off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. Back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. We're going to chasse to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right, stepping to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on that right foot. We're going to shuffle forward again on the left, but we're going to put a quarter turn on to start with. So we're going to make that quarter turn left, making sure you have turned your body when you do so, right beside left, step left forward. So you go into that shuffle step, 1 and 2 count timing. So that set of steps once more then, side behind, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, right, chasse, cross, rock, turn, shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Modified rumba, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side, behind, right chasse, cross, rock, turn, shuffle. Now we're starting off the last section exactly the same as that previous section. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Chasse to the right, right foot leads, right, close, right, go into the side. This is where this section differs. So we're now going to add on some sways. So you're just going to step that left slightly to the left as you sway left, sway right, sway left, then touch the right beside the left, ready to start again with your rumba box. So that set of steps once more then. Off on the right, side behind, chasse. 7, 8, side behind, right chasse, sway, 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 touch. End the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Modified rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side, behind, right chassé, cross, rock, turn shuffle, side, behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch. So that's your dance. Now there are quite a few and counts in it, so I will just go through it now with the timing. So with the counts, you get a good feel for the timing of the dance. Modified rumba off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Back rock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Side behind. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Side behind. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your dance. So you can actually see now where the and counts fit in. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Modified rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side behind, right chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, side behind, right chassé, sway, 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 touch, rumba, back rock, side behind, side behind, rumba, back rock, side behind, side behind, rumba, back rock, Side behind. Side behind. Voila! Back row. Side behind. Side behind. Hope you managed that one.